Hi Wendy, thanks for talking to us today about your volunteering. So tell us a little bit about where you volunteer and what you do as a volunteer.
Hi, yes, I volunteer for the Aberystwyth St John's in Aberystwyth Division, and I am a BFA, and I'm hoping to become higher levelled soon when I've done my assessments. And they've also asked me to become a team leader for the youth cadets.
Fantastic.
I am applying to do after I've done my course.
Brilliant. So tell me about the first part of the role you mentioned. What does that actually entail? What do you actually do?
In the meetings we learn that it's a basic training, and we have fun, obviously, which is the best thing about it all. I'll be training now for the youth cadet leadership. I have to go on a course and show that I am capable of working with the youth cadets.
Fantastic, brilliant. So what made you decide to volunteer with St John?
I volunteered with St John because I've always wanted to do it, and I became 50 last year, and so I decided this is time to have some me time and put something back into the community.
Brilliant.
Great.
Fantastic. So tell me, what's the best thing? You mentioned fun earlier and other things, but what's the best thing so far about the volunteering?
The best thing about volunteering is finding out so many community events that go on that need St John's, and it's been really entertaining to find out how much goes on and who they are behind the scenes, because it's been great.
Fabulous, fantastic. So what skills and experiences have you gained through your volunteering at St John?
I've gained a lot of experience in how to prepare myself in calmness and be confident around people. Plus, I've learned a lot to be able to save a life if I need to, which I'm hoping won't come into it, but it's good to know, especially when you have grandchildren and children around you, and the skills change continuously every year, so it's nice to keep up and be confident in what I do. Fantastic,
saving a life, that's an amazing skill to get to grips with. Amazing, fantastic. So tell me about, are there any downsides to the volunteering so far from your point of view?
The only downside so far is not being able to do as much as I want to, because I haven't got the time and I want to be in the same places, and my husband's put a lot of work around me being able to have some me time, having young children as well, so it's been good.
Fab. And tell me, would you recommend volunteering at St John to others?
Oh yes, I'd recommend it very big time. It is absolutely brilliant. You meet amazing people, you meet other counties, and the community events are just astonishing. It's great fun.
Oh yes, fantastic recommendation. And we haven't mentioned the uniform. How amazing do you look in the uniform? Is that something that you're very proud to wear?
I am proud to wear it. I'm still waiting for my little Welsh dragons to go on the shoulders. But yes, very proud to wear it.
Oh,
yes.
Fantastic. Thank you, Wendy, for giving some time today to tell us about your role of volunteering at St John. And I hope it goes well in the future.
Thank you.